What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Moo is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Moo brokerage account. When you put $100 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 8 free stocks. When you put $1,000 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free stocks. Now, guys, this is a limited time offer. This offer will be expiring soon, so please don't delay. Act today. Get down in that description box, click on that Moo link, open up your new Moo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Well, guys, today ended quite an interesting week, right? We had, Jackson Hole last Friday with the Fed chair coming out basically saying they're going to go ahead and reduce rates in September. Then we fast forward to the beginning of this week. A lot of incredible stuff was happening, right? We had Nvidia's earnings report that came out on Wednesday, August 28th. Now, Nvidia killed it. Triple digit everything. But unlike what I thought, the stock would go to the moon, it didn't. It actually sold off. I mean, you get a company that does triple digit everything, 122% in year over year revenue. They do 174% in year over year operating income. They do 168% year over year in net profit. And they also do 168% year over year in earnings per share increase. And you still have your stock price decline by $10 a share, $8 a share. At its worst decline, it was $115 a share after hours trading on Wednesday, August 28th. I don't understand it, but hey, I'm long on this thing. So, hey, I'm going to continue to be patient and allow this company to continue to mature. I believe if I do that, I give myself a great opportunity to increase my net worth with this company. So that's what my game plan is. What happened today in the stock market? Well, number one thing that happened today prior to stock market opening was the PCE inflation report for July came out. And I gotta say, it was good news. We either beat expectations or met expectations on everything involving inflation and our economy. So listen, we had a really good report today. That PCE report for July just further cements that the Fed on September 18th at their FOMC meeting will reduce rates. The market has already priced that in 100%. Now, what we don't know is how much they're going to reduce. 25 basis points or 50 basis points. We'll have to see. But my prediction is 25 basis points. That's my prediction. But I also predict we'll have at least 75 to 100 basis points Fed funds rate reduction before the end of the year. But we'll start with 25 basis points on September 18th. Now, some of y'all might say, well, golly, you got it wrong on Nvidia. Well, I didn't really get it wrong. Nvidia killed it. I told you guys they would do $30 billion in Q2 in revenue. And guess what they did? $30.5 billion. What I did get wrong was the 1%. They got me. Matter of fact, they got a lot of us retail investors, right? The plan all along was to sucker us into buying Nvidia before the earnings report. And then what their game plan is they would sell off in droves, right? So they got us to buy in, which we all did. And I think long term, that's not a bad thing. And I'll tell you why. But we did that. We bought Nvidia, whatever you want to call it, before the earnings report came out on August 28th, which of course helped the price go up. Your Wall Street traders, they actually bought on August 5th, on Black Monday, right? They bought up a bunch of stuff on August 5th. And then what did they do? They turned on the propaganda machine. They got retail investors to come in after they had bought. And then, of course, the price goes back up to about 128 on Tuesday, August 27th. And then, of course, on Wednesday, August 28th, when the market opened, they started selling off. And then when the market closed, they continued to sell off. And like I said, the stock price went from 128 on Tuesday to 115 after hours on Wednesday. That was all Wall Street traders selling out of the position, right? So where are we at today? Well, we closed today on Nvidia at $119.37 per share. So right around $120 a share. What will this stock do, in my opinion, for the rest of the year? I think it will have an opportunity to go higher. Whether retail investors will stay in this thing or jump out of it, I don't know. I plan on staying in it. And hopefully it will continue to go up higher as it continues to do what? Earn, right? We're coming out with the Q3 numbers will be coming out, I believe it's sometime in the middle of November, late November. I think it's like the 20th or the 21st of November. The Q3 numbers will come out. So if we do well on those numbers again, at some point, hopefully, institutional investors will come back into this stock. Right now, like I told you, Wall Street traders control the stock because institutional investors ain't buying it, right? So Wall Street traders control the stock right now. So in my opinion, I'm going to continue to watch it. I'm going to continue to stay in it until I see any signs of business performance issues, which I don't see. And I don't see that happening in the future. Now, I don't know what will happen a year from now, 2 years from now. I don't have a crystal ball, but I don't think for the remainder of this fiscal year, we'll see any business performance problems out of this company. And I don't think we'll see it going into, fiscal year 26 either, right? So I think the company will continue doing fine. Now, whether institutional investors will get back in in a big way, I don't know. But we need that if we're going to run the stock price up. So right now, right at about $120 a share, we'll see what happens in the coming weeks, right? So what else happened in the market today? Let's look at what CNBC has said about what happened in the market today. Here's the headline. Stocks close higher Friday. S&P posts fourth straight winning month. So if the S&P's doing good, that means the overall broader stock market is doing good. So let's read on here. Stocks rose on Friday with the Dow Jones Industrial Average posting a fresh record high as investors ended a volatile month on a high note. Traders also mulled over critical inflation data, which watched closely by the Federal Reserve. That's the PCE report. That's what they were mulling over, right? That's what Wall Street traders were looking at today. The 30 stock Dow jumped 228 points or 0.55 to close at 41,563. The blue chip index touched a fresh all-time high in the final minutes of the trading session and closed around record. So the Dow is doing great. You know, that's minus the tech sector, right? Your other sectors, right? The other sectors are doing great, minus tech. But tech didn't do bad at all. Let me walk you through that. Tech didn't do that bad. So the S&P 500 advanced 1.01%, closing at 5,648. Pretty dang on good. And the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite gained 1.13 to end at 17,713. Not bad. So your overall stock market basically finished up pretty good. Everything higher today, right? So, and technically, if you want to look at it, Nvidia finished up higher. Not where we want it to finish, but it finished up higher, right? So maybe that's a sign of better things to come for us, right? So, yeah, man, we are in a situation right now where the market is trying to find its footing, guys. And this is just my opinion. I'm no financial advisor. I ain't trying to play one on YouTube. I'm not a stock analyst. I'm not none of that stuff. I'm just giving you my little general opinion that the market is trying to find its footing, right? Like I told you right now, when it comes to, you know, mega caps, when it comes to hyperscalers, when it comes to semiconductors, Wall Street traders are really controlling all of that right now, because your big institutional investors, in my opinion, are not coming in and saying, we're going to buy these companies and we're going to hold them and allow them to mature. That's not happening right now. So who is in control of them? Wall Street traders. And you know, they're not looking for long term. They're looking to make money, get out, make money, get out, make money, get out. And they're controlling the stock and manipulating it from a market standpoint, from a market behavior standpoint. So we will see, man. Far as I'm concerned, I'm going to stay long and stay strong. I'm going to stay long and stay strong and continue working my financial plan, my wealth transfer blueprint, which is DCA every single month into big boy blue chips, SPLG, FTEC, Mag 7, and Nvidia, and my shorts, right? Serve Robotics, Rocket Lab, Celsius Holdings, Palantir, Sirius XM Holdings, to name a few. That's my game plan. I'm just going to continue doing what I've been doing. I'm not going to worry about these Wall Street traders, and I'm just going to focus on these companies and continue being patient, being disciplined, and being consistent. I would just ask you guys to watch your plans, reevaluate your plans, and do what's best for you and your family long term, right? I believe for me and my family long term, paper assets is still a good place to put money and have it multiply while I sleep. You guys got to figure that out for yourself. But thank y'all for checking out the video. Do me a big favor. If you want up to 20 free stocks, get down to the description box, click on the Moomoo link, open up that Moomoo account today and go get yourself 20 free stocks. You put $100 in, they're going to give you 8 free stocks. You put $1,000 in your new brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free stocks. Don't miss that offer. It's a limited time offer. Get down in the description box and check that out. I want you guys to also get over to my website and check out my new website, which is www.richardfain.net. Go check out the website, check out the digital products that are available to you guys to help you collapse time frames and get to your pot of gold faster. Then also consider joining the private mentorship club, fastest growing financial community on Patreon. It's called the Wealth Builders. And like I said, you can have access to that through the website. Just click on the membership button or the join button and come join 1,000 wealth builders. We created this community about 4.5 months ago. And like I said, we worked ourselves up to about 1,000 wealth builders. We'd love for you to join us. Thank you guys again for checking out the video. Lock it in with a thumbs up if you don't mind. thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.